Hello, everybody. It's Selina here. I'm back after a long time. I think for almost a year now. I wasn't, on Instagram or something like that. I'm just working on my own trading. Um, yes, I'm only trading order flow at the moment. Yesterday I took a nice trade on gold, and I want to explain this all to you. I think it was a very nice trade, and I want to explain why I took this trade. Order flow wise, of course. For some that knows me a little bit longer, you would know I started out to trade supply and demand. But I think around 1 year ago, I started to trade order flow. And I really love it because when I only traded supply in a month, sometimes it was very unsure where I should enter the trade, where I should put my stop loss. Sometimes I was too early, sometimes I was too late. Why I took stop losses, what I wouldn't take now. Because now I can see in the candle and I know exactly where to step in and where to step out at the right moment. Okay, you can also see I'm not trading CFDs anymore. I'm now in the future market. I think about 6 months now or something like that. I noticed that some of the traders I speak to are a little bit afraid to trade futures. But you don't have to trade the mini futures. You also have the micros, and with the micros you can trade very smaller than this. I trade here with 2 contracts, I think. Yes, that were 2 contracts. Yes, you can see that the price is then for some high, I think. Then if you take the micros, you can trade smaller than 1 contract. You can trade. I don't know for sure. I think 1/5 of 1 contract or something like that. But you can find that all over the internet. I trade on the platform Atos at the moment. I tried a lot of other platforms like Cluster Delta and MT4, MT5, Ninja Trader, and a lot of others. But this worked for me much better. You can now see that I swift at the 15 minutes. I mainly trade on the 5 minutes and the 15 minutes because mostly I enter on the 5 minutes because I can be a little bit quicker. But the 15 minutes give me so much more peace. Because sometimes we can see a high imbalance on the 5 minutes, and sometimes it stays in, and you think, okay, I'm gonna exit this trade because maybe the price is gonna shift because we see a high imbalance. But when we wait on the 15 minutes, we can see sometimes in the next candle that high imbalance is take out, so we can easily stay in the trade. So the 5 minutes can be everywhere, sometimes all over the place, and the 15 minutes can give you peace. So when I'm in a trade, sometimes I shift to the 15 minutes, so I have a lot more peace for myself with my trades. And it's also a more confluence with the 5 minutes to enter a trade. Okay, because when the 2 things come together and they look the same, just the same imbalances, there's a bigger probability that it's a good trade because they are the same, if you understand what I mean. Yes, I'm gonna tell you in a minute why I took this trade. So you can see there an 0x47, and the price came in with that imbalance. On the left side we had a 0x152, I think. Yes, when the price came back in that area, with another high imbalance, so as you can see into that zone, also on the 5 minutes and on the 15 minutes, for me that was a good sign that the price would reverse at that point. Then I would wait for the volume. Is the volume okay? Is it enough volume? What about the delta? Now that was all in place. So that was another sign for me. I can take this trade easily. Then we see the value area high. For me, price must break that, because we see a lot of times that when price come to the value area high or the value area low, price could also reverse again back. So my advice is to always wait till the break if it's nearby. We can see that was happened, and then I thought, okay, now I'm gonna take this trade. I'm in. So yes, here you see it. You see also below where I highlighted the zone, a lot of imbalances in the candle. That would be a good place to place your take profit, because with all the high imbalances, there's a big chance that price would reverse there. But I took my take profit a little bit lower. I didn't take it there because when price came into the big imbalances you see there, I noticed that price reacted on it, and that it was a good sign to take there my take profit, and I did. And later on we did see price go up again, so my take profit was right at the moment. So always look good around you if you see big imbalances, to see how price reacts on that zone. Sometimes it can smash through it and you can take more profit, but sometimes you just can see price struggle at that zone. And then you better can take your profit and don't be greedy and wait for more profit, because then you maybe hit your stop loss. So that's a thing. When you can look inside the candle, you can see so much more than when you can't see inside the candle, if you know what I mean. Yes, now I think I told you all a lot at the moment. I'm back again. I cut it a little bit out of the video because it's irrelevant, and then we can stay in the video for minutes, and that's gonna be a little bit boring. So this is the big imbalance I told you in the zone that are based on. That's a 0x151, and we can see that price once before came back in there with imbalances and came all the way down, and I took the trade when it came back for the second time, or third time I think. But the big imbalance of 0.151 is very big for gold. We don't see that big imbalances very often. So that's also a sign for me that it's gonna be a very good trade if all signs are there. Yes, now let me go a little bit further in the video and explain you a little bit more. So we are back again. I go to the place where we can see that that price came into the zone. I decided to take away the zone and draw a line because at this moment I didn't see a high imbalance in that zone. We see the 11x0. I thought at that moment price will could still go down. But when I waited, we can also see that delta is becoming positive, very positive, and we see also the rejection in the high imbalances on the left, where I deleted the sum. I decided to wait a little bit and even to set my stop loss in profit. I didn't do it finally, but at this moment I was very in doubt. I thought price can't go any lower, but I was also fine with the profits I already had, because for me that was okay. So when price came a little bit more down, I finally took also my profits. And what happened after is that price moved back to the upside. And then at that moment I was very, very happy. I took my profits out because I knew it was a risk with all the high imbalances on the left. So if I hold the trade any longer, that was a little bit dumb, because I also could see that price reacted on that high imbalances, and when delta moved to positive, I knew I was better off taking the profits than hold the trade any longer. So you can see later I did this also. I'm switching back here to the 15 minutes. I'm searching for any dangers, but at this moment I already decided to when the price came back down to that line, I will take my profits. Yes, we don't see it right now. Let me take you a little bit further. Now it's time to take my video. As you can see, price smashed down for another time. This is the 5-minute time frame, and I think in a little bit seconds I'm out. But because I thought it was enough, I was long enough in this trade. We have enough imbalance on the left. I knew there was a big chance price will go back up at this moment. So when price came down for the last time, I took my my profits and I was out of the trades. You will see that happen in a little bit of seconds. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I gave you a bit of clarity about how I see trading order flow, how it helped me, and everything like that. Yes, it helped me a lot, trading order flow, because I can see so much more. Yes, I'm out finally. My trading became so much better when I started to trade order flow. I hope you can see this too through my video, how it can help you, how it can benefit your trading in so many ways. So if you're still struggling with a lot of things, I can highly advise you to trade order flow, or learning to trade order flow, or the order flow concept, because I think it can help any trader. When you can see the data, when you can see inside the candle, that are so many things. That is just my advice to you guys. Do I want to say something more? We're looking to an old video right now, because everything was done. How did I learn to trade order flow? I learned to trade order flow to the will order from the forex scalpers. I first started there my supply demand course. I learned a lot of that, and when they brought out the will order, it really was eye opener for me because yeah, everything is so much clearer for me now. So as I explained to you guys in this video, so I'm gonna make this video to an end. So my credits to the will order from the forex scalpers, the trading platform Atos. You should really try it. It's a lovely platform, and if you trading order flow, you should definitely try Atos. I love it, but not everyone should love it, but we don't know. I hope you understand everything I told you. Yeah, and if you like to see more of my trading or something like that, don't forget to like, subscribe, give me a reaction or a like. And if you have any questions, you can always ask me. I'm not that social media freak. I find it hard sometimes to stay active on the social media because I'm not like a social media person or something like that. I'm mainly on my own, and sometimes I don't like other noises from the internet, so I disappear for sometimes. But people that know me longer, they know how I am. And yeah, I wish you all a nice trading day today, and thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you, I also made a contribution to the real order. You can find my order flow diary there, where I recorded in pictures and text visuals in 1 month my order flow trading day by day. Thank you.